INEC being the electoral umpire, they have a role to play, a constitutional role, to play for during elections. And when there are issues that arise after the elections, INEC has to stand up to its responsibility to defend her actions. And just like we've been saying that the Edo elections were clear. We've been saying that the PDP clearly won the popular votes, and Asue Ighodalo should have been declared winner. And today again, INEC has strengthened our case by being unable to provide any witnesses and, of course, saving the commission the national embarrassment to defend what we have termed a heist that was committed in Edo State.
Today, INEC has come to do what I expected them to do, because they have declared results. They've come to present their results yesterday that they declared, and they don't need any weakness. The weakness that they need is the document they dropped yesterday, and that is all. So, helping APC case, APC won the election. Okpebholo won the election. So, I think what PDP is trying to do is to keep their supporters. But unfortunately, actually, the first 11 of PDP have left. More are leaving today.